Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel would be fantastic. In today's video, I will be comparing the latest tablets from Xiaomi and Lenovo with the latest and powerful in-house chips, the Xring O1 and SS11011 chipsets. The tablets are Xiaomi Redmi Pad 7 Ultra and Lenovo Yoga Pad 14.5. Don't forget to like or leave a comment if you have any questions or opinion after watching the video.